Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So at long last I'm actually going to finish assembling the signal box. So I was going to do it earlier tonight, but then I had quite a long natter on WhatsApp with my friend Bugler75 Ian. We've been talking about all sorts of things, including dipping pens with nibs. And now, before I go to my bed, I'm actually going to glue the Jouef signal box onto the base. So, me sitting on this chair too long. Okay, right. So I'm going to be using glue and glaze as usual. Here's the toilet. This is a toilet. This is a bog. We have a toothpick or a cocktail stick. Call them toothpicks usually. Steel ruler just to center it well. And right, let's get going. So here's the base, balsa base, painted. I would say 3 coats of grey paint plus the surface primer. I used a, can't remember, I used a file to mark these stones at the side to get this effect. It was actually pretty realistic in my opinion. And now we're just going to put that glue on the base of the building. So being careful not to damage anything. So first we'll fit this on here, and then we'll fit the toilet. I've not done one of these videos for quite a long time, so I'm trying to get projects finished, because lately I've been busy, I've been away. We were in Malta, then we were in Milan, then and I've got a lot of videos. I've been to the exhibition centre to see my Classic Bus Association has been busy as well, so I've been involved in some of these events myself as well. So I'm just putting glue and glaze here on the base. On the base, not on my fingers. Put another wee drop here. This bottle's nearly finished. Righto. Okay, right, that's ready. Now we want to get this here in position. I'm going to go on like that. And like that. Okay, see, that's okay. Maybe it needs pushed over. Let's check it underneath. Nearly 2. I should have marked it a wee bit. See how that is. Seventeen. It's okay. It doesn't have to be. Okay, now we'll get this, just one of these, and we'll give that a quick straighten out like that, and like that. Okay. Right. So that's glued on. Now we'll glue the toilet, the ball on at the back. Okay. Glue. I'll actually put the lather on tomorrow morning when this is set. Okay, very well. Right. So I'm going to put glue under here and on the rear wall of this toilet. On the other hand, I might just glue the steps on as well. We'll just get rid of it all, because I've screwed glue here and I'd like to use it, not to waste the stuff. Apart from the fact I can even suck the glue back into the bottle. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's us. Let's pop this on here now, being very careful. Should do the job. Glue, it's gluing onto the base and it's gluing onto the rear wall of the building. That's good. Okay, right. Now we'll pop the roof on as well, which has been trimmed a bit. We'll just go like this, putting the glue on the, like that. Righto. I think we're on, are we? Not lifting up, I'm going down. That's good. Good enough. That's nice. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the stairs at the front. Stairs or steps. So these have to be fitted on like that and like that. So I'm going to have a quick look to see if, yes, they're okay. Right, let's get this stuff glued together. We might need a wee bit of a very delicate part, this one here. In fact, this is cracked. Well, I'll add a wee bit of glue on there at the end. Okay, I need a wee bit more glue here. Come on. I have to keep this upside down. Okay. Got another one of these. Right, folks. That goes there. Don't need too much, because this stuff here is a very good product. Need some here like that. And then we'll just put a spot here. And a spot there. Okay. Should be doing this with my right hand. Yes, indeed. I will do it with my right hand. I think that's on well. Okay. Let's just wipe this part here off well. Okay. Another toothpick here. Excuse me, I'm going to turn it around a minute to have a better look at it. checking if everything's glued down well. Okay. Right. So that's the signal box assembled at long last. That's the signal box finished. Here we are. So I'll just take the phone and give you a panoramic view of the signal box. Here we are, ready. Of course, that white glue there will set, it will become transparent, and it's not bad considering what we began with. It was really in very bad condition. This was a very interesting project to reconstruct a building, practically not just stripping it, correcting it. The framework was inside. There were parts that were very damaged, and I had to remake parts of framework. I couldn't open the bottom part because I couldn't remove the floor, because it's made of softer plastic, and it was not coming off even if I'd put the thing in a freezer. Thanks again, Ian Bugler 75, for that tip. And so I just had to make do with the fact working on a base which doesn't have any proper right angles. So it's definitely, we made the best of a bad lot. There's the homemade lamp with that drawing pin head. I think that, and tomorrow when it's dry we'll put a real woman climbing the steps. A signalman will be climbing the steps. He'll be going to help his colleague who is in here at the moment. Here he is. There we go. There's our signalman in there. Hello. We still have to write. I still have to print the Chapelon Crosti here. I still have to do that. I've not done that, and I'll get that done these days. So that'll be the final touch. I'll be gluing that on. But I wanted to actually get the thing assembled. Also because I'm thinking of using this signal box here, both in the Chapelon Crosti. Excuse me, I'm a bit sleepy. An HO guys, and also use it in 00, even if these kind of tiles here are not very British looking. There should be probably slate or something of the kind, but I would have to have a look at these terracotta tiles. Are not really very common in Britain, as far as I remember. Maybe not common in Scotland, where I'm from, because there's generally slate in Scotland. I'll have a look at some photographs and see what's what. Okay, cheerio. I hope you enjoyed this video, which is a longish one. And if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and share the video. And of course, comment. I always like to read your comments and answer them in person. I mean, it's always me that answers. I don't have a press agent. I'm my own press agent. Right, cheerio, and see you next time. Good night.